My name is Delara Motlagh. I am the Vice President and Global Head of Cell Therapy at Catalent Pharma Solutions. Our company is a contract manufacturing organization across all modalities, but I look after the cell therapy portion. So we help clients be able to manage their manufacturing and their development from early stage assets all the way through commercialization. So cell therapy manufacturing and cell and gene therapy in general, there are some key challenges that many developers have. One is a lot of the processes, particularly for cell therapy, are very manual. And so this causes a lot of variability for the process itself. So the use of automation is really important to help really automate that process, take out some of the variability, and also to add more consistency. This is one of the ways that Catalent's been helping. We launched a platform that allows you to lock your process with different unit operations, initially for CAR-T, but can be applicable across different cell types and platforms. Another challenge is that by definition for these personalized forms of therapy, you have variable starting material, particularly for autologous, where a patient's own cells are being used for their therapy. And so managing through this challenge, as well as the logistics of collecting that material, is another challenge. And this is another area where contract manufacturing organizations can help in finding ways to shore up the process, but also making sure that there is some maybe pre-processing that we can do on starting material so you have more consistency going into manufacturing. But you may also have to flex how you manage the manufacturing depending on that incoming material. One of the greatest attributes of this sector is collaboration, because there's so many new things breaking down a lot of different barriers, whether it's new therapies, different indications, and different ways of really practicing medicine, which is what cell and gene therapy is doing. It's revolutionizing how we practice medicine. So the collaboration across the industry is so important because everyone has a piece of the pie. And so to me, that is one of the biggest lessons I've learned, is being very open, because of course there's going to be proprietary pieces of information that developers have, but what are things that we can share that help elevate the whole sector? And I really see that here, because having the patient in mind and really having that as the true North Star for all of us is so important, that it really brings the industry together. And so conferences like Meeting on the Mesa are a perfect opportunity, not only in order to collaborate, but also to form those partnerships as we solve the problems together.